Welcome everyone. Now I am going to talk about HIV and AIDS. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, which is the virus that causes the HIV infection. AIDS is abbreviated form for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome caused by a virus called HIV. AIDS is also referred to as advanced HIV infection, or it is also called as last stage HIV. Many myths have been spread about AIDS, and it is very important for everyone to know the fact about HIV and AIDS. First, we want to know the origin of HIV and AIDS. AIDS was discovered in 1983, though the sufficient knowledge has been gained about the disease. Yet a definite source of this virus would not be identified. But the following theories have been suggested. The most of the evidences have suggested that the AIDS has spread from Africa. It has been believed that the HIV has transferred to human from African monkey or chimpanzees. HIV has spread in Africa through HIV contaminated polio vaccine prepared from monkey's kidney. It had spread through hepatitis B viral vaccine in Los Angeles and New York. It had also spread through smallpox vaccine program of Africa. The factors influencing modes of transmissions of HIV. HIV is spreading due to the following activities. HIV from infected person can pass to normal person through blood contact, generally during the unprotected sex with infected person. The second point is the using needles and syringes contaminated with small quantities of blood from HIV positive persons also transmit HIV to others. The third point is HIV can also pass from infected mothers to their babies during pregnancy, delivery, or breastfeeding. The fourth one is the blood transfusion from the infected person at the time of accident or pregnancy also results in HIV and AIDS. The fifth point is women are more vulnerable to HIV. Biologically, the male to female transmission of HIV is 2 to 4 times more efficient than female to male transmissions. The final point is the women around 18 to 20 years are at more risk since their cervical tissues is more vulnerable to invading HIV. HIV is not spreading by the following activities: tears, food and air, cough, handshake, mosquito, flies, insect bite, urine, saliva, during normal kissing, sharing of utensils, cloths, toilet, bathroom, etc. Effects of HIV and AIDS. First point is the large number of death occurs which affect the environment and natural resources. Second one, due to the large number of deaths, there is loss of labor and level of productions decreases. The last point is the people affected by HIV cannot perform work well due to lack of energy and frequent fever and sweating. Function of HIV in human body. AIDS itself does not kill humans. The death occurs due to the attack by diseases because of the weakening of immune system. White blood cell responsible in the formation of antibodies are called T helper cells. The T helper cells are the key infection fighter in the immune system. The HIV enter into the human body and destroy the T cells, as a result of which various types of infection diseases occurs. Even cancer can easily develop in the HIV infected person. Symptoms of HIV. Many people have no symptoms when they are first infected with HIV, but some people gets fever, headache, fatigue. During this time, HIV is present in large amount in semen and vaginal fluids, and it's very easy to pass the infection to another person. HIV is very active inside a person's body. The virus multiple and kill more and more T cells of immune system. Consumption of alcohol increases the susceptibility to infection and progress of AIDS. The minor symptoms of AIDS. First one, the persistent cough for more than 1 month. Second, the general skin diseases, viral infection, fungus infection in mouth and throat. Final one, the frequent fever and headache, fatigue. Major symptoms of AIDS. First one, fevers for more than 1 month. Diarrhea for more than 1 month. Third one, cough and TB for more than 6 months. Next, the fall of hairs from the head. Last one, 10% of body weight get reduced within a short period. Control and preventive measures of AIDS. Once a person is infected with HIV, the persons remain infected for life. There is neither a cure nor a vaccine, but can be prevented. The prevention is better than cure is a slogan for all of us. The basic approaches to control AIDS are: first one, education. The health education enables people to avoid indiscriminate sex and encourages the use of condoms. One should avoid the use of sharing razor, needles and syringes. Next one, the prevention of blood-borne HIV transmissions. People in high risk groups should not donate blood. Blood should be screened for HIV before transmission, and strict sterilization practices should be followed in hospitals. The primary health care's AIDS awareness programs should be encouraged. The voluntary health agencies should practice in large training program to doctors and paramedical workers should be conducted. Next one, The counseling services. The counseling services should be provided either in persons or through telephone. Last one, drug treatment. The testing HIV positive does not mean the end. They can still stay healthy, leading productive lives for many years. Seeking early medical care and staying active are very vital in managing HIV. The immune system has to be kept boosted by taking nutritious diet and maintaining a stress-free mind. World scenario of AIDS. Nearly 90% of HIV affected peoples live in developing countries. 30% of world's populations live in Africa. About 32.7 million people so far died due to HIV in 2019. In the world AIDS ranking, India is in second place. Thank you for watching this video.